Okay, here we have a chicken nugget made in Thailand, overcooked. That's what I'm going to tell myself before I eat it. Chicken nuggets. Okay, McDonald's, basically same ingredients.
We're John and Christine, and we've been working in the oil fields 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the past 3 years, saving to travel the world. And now, that day has finally come.
Good morning, TDD Family.
It is bright and early the next morning. The sun is up. We just got breakfast.
Our plans for today is to take a ride over to our new Airbnb and get settled down there.
Yeah.
And then we are going to actually visit this time, a night market. What's the name of it again?
Wat Phui, I think. Do not quote me on that.
Yes. It's a very popular market.
Yeah, it's a train market. It's a night train market.
Hopefully it's running. Okay, because the last time we wanted to go to market, it didn't work out.
Yeah, kind of a flop on that one. Sorry, guys.
And we're going to meet up with a good friend of ours.
Yeah.
Out here and go to the market with him. So we're going to head down the road and get some more currency because we are actually running low on Thai baht.
Well, we got in, now we gotta find the first floor, and we're gonna find where we get our Thai baht from, whether it's a kiosk or a actual store. The things you see here are really, really freaking cool. This is the coolest place. I love it. Now, if you're in here and you're not sure which way you came from, you could easily get lost. The mall is huge. If it's a mall. I think it's a mall, yeah. But yeah, I'm looking around, I'm like, yeah, I could get lost in here. Oh, look, we found it. Yay.
It's 32 baht, right, per US dollar. Well, we got what we needed, and we should be good for a little while now.
And now I'm going shopping. Yay!
You are?
Yep.
For what?
Everything. I'm just kidding.
So we just got back to our hotel room and realized we were 20 minutes late for checkout. So we're trying to get out of here quick, get in a cab, and get to our next spot because, yeah, we don't want to get charged for an extra night.
How long you stay?
2 months.
2 months?
Yep.
Yeah.
Probably the weekend, Friday.
Yes.
1 week. Appointment with me can,
We're here a little early. I'm not sure if we could check in early. It's not too much, but we're not even sure what we need to do to check in. So the truth is, we didn't have a truck in.
Nope, well, we're gonna find out. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my lord, okay, wow. Is there AC in here though?
Yes, of course. Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. I'm hot.
This will be home for the next 3 nights. Oh, I don't mind this at all.
No.
It's time to go to the market.
It's time to go to the market. Sure you can't hear me right now, but this is awesome. We're heading in to meet Franco right now. I think we're gonna heading towards this location now.
Good, yourself?
Nice to finally meet you, man.
Yes,
What's
hi.
up, man? How are you? It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Wow.
So everyone say hi to Franco. Coolest dude
Is
we
this a
know.
live stream?
Yeah.
Oh,
well,
no,
not live
that's
stream, but
Oh, okay. Hello.
we're about to eat some crazy food. We just gotta find the vendors first, and we have no clue where we're going. But Franco will tell us. He knows.
I have no idea. My first time here.
So we're all in this together then.
Go this way.
Yeah.
What do I pay him for?
What do we pay you for, Franco?
Like a grill.
We got something here. We don't know the name. It's a hot pot.
I think.
Apparently it's a hot pot, okay? We know that much. So you get your rice?
Do it. Taste the broth first. Ooh, creamy for sure. Oh, it's really good.
Insanely spicy.
Yes,
That's what the rice is for, I think.
but it has like a savory, kind of sweet, salty taste to it. I think there's like a fish ball. There's definitely like prawns and shrimp. So I like it. It's good. Spicy. Ooh.
Ooh, that's really good.
It is good.
We can get more.
We're gonna try that. Grilled squid. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Captain Obvious. Very chewy. Definitely a little, like, slight fishy taste, but not bad. Fishy taste. Oh, there it is. Very chewy. I'm still chewing.
It's hard to find weird things here. A lot of things seem to repeat. Okay, here we have a chicken nugget made in Thailand, overcooked. That's what I'm going to tell myself before I eat it. Chicken nuggets. Okay, McDonald's, basically same ingredients. The crunches.
Cockroaches or?
Yeah,
All right.
what you got here?
I don't know. It's some kind of larva beetle thing. I'm just gonna go for it.
I told you. It has good flavor to it, though.
It's a chicken nugget.
This is your moment to live.
If you do the one I did, it's not that bad. Try.
Now we're gonna get some nice, good things. I think
Sushi, here I come. Woohoo!
challenge complete. Breaking the rust, one piece. Is that better than bugs?
Yes. The bug wasn't bad, but this is better.
So we're marking it out. A little tired.
Yeah, I'm hot, tired, full, happy. It's been an awesome night hanging out with Franco.
Thanks, Franco.
Hey, no problem. My pleasure.
Franco loves being on camera. He told me secretly.
It's a
Feels
secret
like-
love affair with the camera that
feels
we
like-
won't tell anybody about.
All right, yes, good to meet you.
Awesome.
And yeah, have a great time.
You too, take care.
Thank
Make
you.
sure you try that drink I told you.
Yeah, definitely. Be safe
We'll be
there.
around the area for a bit.
Appreciate it, man. Good night. So we got about 30-minute taxi ride back. We're gonna head out to the main road, see if we can catch one. We're gonna get back and get some sleep. We got an early day tomorrow to go check out something really awesome that's pretty close by. Should be beautiful weather
been-
for it.
A really nice first trip to the market.
It was amazing. This place is so awesome.
Yeah.
I had a blast.
Yep.
I would definitely come back here again and again. If
And we'll probably still not see everything. There's so much to see here.
It's huge. You could get lost. We almost did.